So the Beehive is a space where we showcase young entrepreneurs. Even if you go around, you're going to see everyone is young and vibrant. So we're just making sure everything they do is for the children and can benefit them. So because it is done by people that understand. The primary objective is to showcase young entrepreneurs' businesses so that they grow and that they make a beautiful network with everyone else. Yeah, even if you go around, it's beautiful cakes, it's beautiful games. There's a lot of other games where you like mind games for kids and other stuff. So we are making sure that everything is done by younger people so that it benefits and it is along the lines of the other people coming in to enjoy.